a fucking Husaberg?
It is, man.
Shit, you know, the last time I saw one of these was in Southern Oregon. These are Swedish, aren't they?
They are.
Yeah, dude, these are fucking badass.
This particular one,
250?
650.
No way! No way! As soon as I saw the yellow and blue, I was like, this is the first Husaberg I've seen in the state riding on the road. These things are fucking so sick. There, dude, I'm going all the way back to when I used to grow weed in Oregon. Oh, you're the first person I've seen outside of the state of Oregon with the Husaberg. I guess that's kind of how rare they are, right? I've seen one in Texas, California, Florida, Georgia. This is the first one. No way! No way!